Hi, welcome back to the VA tip series, and this is tip number 5. So, if you have multiple clients already, I suggest you do time blocking. Why? So that you can set expectations, limitations, and boundaries to your clients as well. Kasi kapag meron tayong multiple clients, especially kapag mga retainer clients, so we're working with them weekly, daily. So may mga times na magcha-chat sila sa'yo urgently for some urgent matters like kailangan mong palitan yung email na to or kailangan mong mag-schedule ng social media post for this, may event tayo ganyan. Hindi natin may iwasan na mag-chat sila. And may mga times na we're working on other clients, for other clients, working on other tasks, and then alam mo yun, hook ka na dun sa task na yun, tapos biglang tatawag si other client mo kasi nga, hindi ka nag-set ng time block. So, there are also clients na want or gusto ng weekly catch up. So, you need to block that time for them. Like, let's say, every Monday may catch up kayo for 8 to 8:30. So, you need to block that time for them. You can also set, like, I can work with your staff or with our staff for from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So that's your window for them na lahat ng chat nila mare-replyan mo during that time. And then yung mga after that na is for tomorrow na. So it's also efficient time management para sa mga freelancers and virtual assistant na may multiple clients. So ayun lang. I hope this video helps and see you on my next one.